Maj.Rtd, Awic Polar. I am an advocate in the courts of law. I'm also the Director for External Affairs of NRM. I'm also the elected clan leader of my clan, Okarowok Bako. Okarowok Bako is a big clan which occupies a big part of Tupe, and it flows over to Agago. My coming here is in consonance with the culture and practice of Lao, which says that when a clan leader is elected, he's enthroned. And before he's enthroned, he pays a visit to the Wonnyaci, the overall leader of Lao, to inform him of the activity, the ceremony, but also to invite him to preside over the function. So I came for those two objectives, to inform him that I'm the elected clan leader, and that is why I came with the Electoral Commission who conducted the election. He has to formally make a report. So, but also to see the old man, how he is, and how he's doing. So basically I came here for those three reasons.
So what do you make of the reception you received?
Oh, I'm very happy about the reception. The Wonnyaci, the old man, is very happy with our coming. He's an old man, so he likes to meet us and share with us and educate us and tell us his appreciations, which he has said is very appreciative for our engagement to keep the community together. But he also is very appreciative for President Museveni for whatever he has done for Uganda at large and what he has done for Lao in particular. He's very happy. So I'm so happy about the reception, for whatever we have drunk, whatever we have shared, and we are happy.
So what plans do you come with in the leadership of, in the cultural leadership?
What I come with is to advocate, first of all, for unity. There has been a lot of fighting here. I will advocate that we be united as a community of Lao. But most of my developmental activities will be in my community. I will encourage a lot of production. We have fertile land. We traditionally keep lots of animals, cows and goats. So I will encourage them to do that. I will also encourage them to take advantage of government programs, PDM and all those others, so that they make maximum use of it. But I will also try my personal interventions to see how I can encourage and grow up young boys and girls in line of education, and also help directing them or advising them placement opportunities that I can see.
Wonnyaci Yosam pap. Atinne Maj.Rtd chicheka. Atinne chielo binu boretin. Atinne chielo binu borekane na witong. Akwaye ni wire mana Awic Polar. Ame aduong lobo da ogene. Itawni binu mer ni romo binu konyi ni ngo. Mamiyo ta kwar don waranyim.
Mala. Aku pera giko kopa. Apo yoro kwal. Atina me au kuero digi masa. Ami yo pocha tek bot president wa. Yo were kaguta Museveni. Meyel. Kichungi uljo mete kwaro. Ilobe yo duch. Okarowok. Yo ati parimani. Lagini. Mi wakum director. Ma kuna nami. Ti marakatol. Mana mi pos bore tek. Na kuenyera tini. Kure bit kum kapale ken. Ebi konya ko wori kin Lao. Ekiti gilengi gina mami binti. Mandina kela dame de kobo. Polo joke na joke ti bere. Mo yere kante wor kusata. Pete dugu paso. Neno kita metro tere tikere. Pape tikere. Temi yotam. Akwai da jo me ti ngete romu. pekan nito yiniti kere pe lao. Emi uoru nino kokana ler. Vai na koboru. Mandi na chela mami sa koboru. Marua duongsa. Pigina bere no timu borwa. Me kwanyatinwa. Chumpi tekwaro. Kunyo. Man bere kat.
Gere kono gere me tichero chahere mena me meri me palace.
Mano mio bere kwa bere tekto kwal. Atini kitamera anene kere a winyi done. Roma teach. Na unyo kere wiltong. Kwa miu nyong. Wuri nino ngo me atina tetini. Biro mi kubna kana boru du. Mandira chela me akobo. Pole wo kwan. Mede unu me oro tini kwano. Oka kobucha.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.